Welcome to VAPL's online education platform. Today I am going to teach you 12th mathematics part 1, a chapter called that is mathematical logic. Okay, so I am going to refer two languages, that is one is English and another is that is Hindi. Okay, in that mathematical logic we are going to communicate in English, communicating in local languages, you can see in Marathi, Urdu, Telugu, like that. But in that languages there are two types, that is called, you can say that will be some types sentences, there will be some statements. Okay, initially we will start with a background for mathematical logic, how it is going to evolve, or you can say what is the use, or you can say what is the application of that. Okay, so I will start with that is this mathematical logic. The word itself, the word it was used, that is a logos. It is from Greek language. Okay, Greek language. The meaning of this logos is the logic, or you can say in our language it is a reasoning. Means there will be some reason to write that statement, to write that sentence in our mathematical logic also and mathematical language also. In mathematical language, each statement has some truth values. That truth values can be denoted by T is a true or F as a false, and that true can be written as, or you can see it is denoted by 1 in binary number, and F as a false can be written by 0. It is a truth value of that statement actually. So that mathematical logic was started by, you can say it is initiated by the scientist Aristotle. Okay, and it was further developed by George Boole. Okay, so just this is for remember only, George Boole was developed this mathematical model, or you can say mathematical logic model. Okay, so these are the some background history for that. Now we will start with the what is the mathematical sentence, or you can say mathematical statement. Actually statement is the right word for this. Okay, so I will start with difference between sentence and statement. So in grammar of English we are using different types of sentences. For example, exclamatory will be there will be questionary, there will be, that is called interrogative, there will be some sentences like imperatives. Okay, so I will write the types, actually types of sentences. That sentences can be divided into questionary, you can say it is interrogative. Okay, it can be shown by question mark, okay, at the end of the sentence. Second will be exclamatory, that can be shown by exclamatory mark in the at the end of that sentence. Actually sentence is made up of word, okay, it is a bunch of word actually, and in that can be divided by interrogative, exclamatory, then it will be imperative. Okay, imperative is commanding, or you can say it is a request. It's please sit down, please come here, please give me a cup of tea, like that, please give me a cup of water. Okay, these are the imperative, that is a command actually. These are the sentences. And keep in mind कि sentences cannot be write as a statement. Okay, so it is a not a statement, that's why its truth value, there is a no truth value for sentences. Okay, this is the valuable conclusion or valuable remark from this discussion. And fourth type, you can say, or there is another, that is a statement, is a one type of statement, sentence, and that statement also divided into, means that is called assertive, that you can say positive sentence, that is called statement, or it can be declarative. So we will divide the sentences, or you can say statements, into three types for our sake of convenience in the terms of mathematical language. Okay, so first I will write here statements. We will take some examples for that. There will be some sentences called no statements. Okay, sentences, and third type, that will be open sentences. So we have to identify, if you have given any sentence and you have to ask it is a statement or not, what is the truth value for that. Truth value means you know that true is a T, false is a F. True value can be denoted by 1, false can be denoted by 0, but in your board, or you can say in 12th standard, there has written only true and false, that is a T and F only. But for the calculation purpose in mathematics, or you can say in terms of electrical language, or in terms of instrumentation, is for, or you can say in computer languages or IT languages, they are using 1 and 0, okay, for their convenience. Okay, so statements, I can write here 3 to 4 statements or sentences like sun rises in the east. Okay, then another part, the sun rises in the east. This is a simple sentence, okay, but it is a statement, because sun rises in the east, there is no any question mark. Normally there is a full stop at the end of the statement. That is one remarkable, you can say, marking, or you can say idea ki how to know the which is a statement or not, or it is a sentence or not. Okay, so there is a full stop at the end of the sentence is called statement in normal word, but there has to be some meaning. Okay, so as per that meaning, or you can say as per their value, it can be denoted by true or false. Okay, so what is the sun rises in the east? Is it correct? It is a statement. Yes, it is a statement. Yes. And what is the truth value for that then? Sun rises in the east. It is a true? Yes, because sun rises always in the east. So its truth value is T. It's a simple one. In mathematics, if I can write 6 into 4 is equal to 25. Is this statement? Yes, is this statement. But 6 for the means if I multiply 6 by 4, it becomes 24, and I have given it 25. So this is a statement, but its truth value is false, because its value is not equal to 24. That's why its statement is false. So I will write here F. Also I will take one example, that Mumbai, okay, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Right, this is the statement, okay, because it is a full stop. Also Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is a simple sentence actually. It is a one sentence only, and at the end of this there is a full stop. Okay, there is a meaning for this sentence. And also Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is a true statement. Okay, that's why its truth value is a T. I already told you true can be written as a 1, false can be written as a 0, and this can be helpful while when we are going to calculate the truth value of that statements. Okay. And if in case of sentences, these are the not a statement. Okay, so not a statement means sentences. What are the sentences? First will be what is your name, right? What is your name? But at the end of sentence there is a question mark. Is this statement? No, because in your sentences, if there are some question mark, there will be exclamatory mark, or you can say there will be some request, command, order. That cannot be a statement. That will be sentence only. Okay, so what is your name? Then another sentence will be, you can say, please come here. Okay, please come here. Then what are you doing? What are you doing? So there are some sentences, there will be question mark, there will be exclamatory mark, there will be some request, there will be command, means please come here, please give me something like this. So these are the sentences. So they don't have any truth values, means they don't have. If you board has asked you, okay, please come here, what is the is this statement or is this sentence, then what is the truth value of that? So you have to answer only please come here. This is imperative sentence, so there will be no, means this is not a statement, so there is a no truth value for this sentence, not a statement. Okay, so this is a clarity, or you can say clarification in between sentence and statement. Okay, then there will be some questions, or you can say some statements, or you can say some sentences that are open, like that. Means I will take one example, x plus 3 is equal to 9. So this x will be 9 minus 3, so this will be 6. So what is this? means after solving this equation I got the value of x is equal to 6. But can I use this sentence, or you can say this equation, for x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0.5, x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 4? Means this cannot be satisfied for x is equal to x not equal to 6. मीन्स इसमें क्या है कि x is equal to 6 रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, 6 के अलावा जो भी वैल्यू आएगा वो वैल्यू को वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा. सो दिस इज अ ओपन सेंटेंस. अनदर यू कैन से ही इज अ टॉल. अभी देखो इसमें क्या दिया है कि ही इज अ टॉल. हु इज टॉल? आई डोंट नो. ही इज टॉल मीन्स आई एम अ टॉल, बट as compared to whom I am tall, there is no given idea. So what is this? This is a open sentence. This is open for all. That's why open sentence is also not a statement, sentence is also not a statement. These both have no any truth values. This is a simple clarity in between statement and sentences. Okay, so we will take some examples from our actually board also. Means what is the statement and what is the sentences. Okay, so there will be some examples like you can say 6 into 4 that I have already taken. Okay, so I will take 3 to 4 example, and then you have to write there it is a statement or not, it is a sentence or not, or it is a what is the truth value for that. Okay, here I will write sentence or statement. Here is no any that much depth of knowledge is required for this, just only concept or you can say basics. Okay, so one is statement or sentence, another is statement yes or no, because this statement is only used for mathematical logic to find out the values that will be truth or false. That's why. So statement yes or no, that I have to identify. Another that part is you can say that statement yes or no, then it has a truth value or no. You can say truth values. I will go in detail for truth values, how to calculate that truth values actually independently. So statement, what is the statement actually? I will take one example. You can say please sit down. So this is one sentence. So I have to identify, here it has given please. So please is the word in imperative sentences. Okay, so you have to remind this type of sentence. This will be imperative sentence. Okay, imperative. Okay, so you have idea for imperative sentences. It is a statement? No, it is not a statement, right? Then what is the truth value? Because there is not availability, not applicable. Okay, there is a truth value or not, because for sentence there is a no truth value. So you can write here only directly no truth values. This chapter is basic concept, or you can say basic chapter in 12th standard, but you can get definitely 2 to 3 marks or 4 marks in JEE, in you can say in your CET exam, in your board exam. Okay, definitely, but you don't by heart this by formulas and all these things. You have to only identify the basics behind the statements or sentences. Okay, so I will take another example. That example will be like 6 into 3 is equal to 19. So what is this is a statement? Yes, this is actually statement. Then I have to find out the truth value of this statement. Okay, so 6 by 3, what will happen? It will becomes 18. So your value given is 19 is equal to 19, but your truth means true value is 18. So is this statement true or not? It is not true, so it will be false. So such a way you have to identify. Then I will take one example from, because this is sentence, this is your statement, and I will take one example from open sentence. So what is the open sentence actually? Open sentence will be like you can say x plus 4 is equal to 5. So what will happen? This x plus 4, so x is equal to 5 minus 4, it becomes 1. So this sentence, or you can say this equation, is satisfied only for x is equal to 1. other than 1 there is no value which we can be satisfied by this equation. So this is a open statement, or you can say open sentence. So is this statement? No, this is not a statement. Then is there any truth value for this statement or sentence? There is no truth value for this sentence. Okay, so such a way you have to differentiate between sentence, statement and open sentences. Okay, so I think you got clarity in between them. So now we'll start with some, you can say, types of statement. Okay, so types of statement I will explain you that that is a basic. Actually it is a compound statement and it is a simple statement. Okay, compound and means here is a statement, just for sake knowledge only, not when asking in exam. Actually it is a simple statement. This is a compound statement. Compound, it is a combination. Okay, compound, it is a combination, you can say. So I will take one example for both. I will write here, for example, 3 and 5. I will write here in a word. Actually 3 and 5 are twins prime number. Okay, this is one statement actually, because 3 and 5, these are the two prime number. Twins means 2. Okay, so these are the two prime number and twins actually. That's why this statement is true, but it is a single statement. That's why it's called simple statement. Okay, and in case of compound, what will be the, I can write here 4 is even number. Okay, and this can be, I will write in word actually, and 25 is a perfect square. Okay, so what is given here? 4 is even number, this is a statement P, and 25 is a perfect square, this is statement Q, and it is a denoted, or it is connected by some connectives like AND. Okay, so this is a compound statement. There are two statements that are connected by AND, that's why it is a compound statement. I think you are clear about this. So we'll take some examples that can be asked, or you can say that is from exercise 1.1. You have to state statements are truth or not. Okay, or these are the statement and its truth values. Okay, so up to this point I will get some examples from exercise 1.1, so you will get clarity and you will get some confidence about that. So that statement, you can say statement and its truth values. Okay, so example 1 is given. Example 1 is 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Is this statement? Yes, this is a statement and its truth value, देखिए आप कैसा है, 5 plus 4 it becomes 9, so it is not equal to 13, so it is a false statement, so its truth value is F. Okay, another statement is x minus 3 is equal to 14. This is from exercise 1.1. Okay, so x minus 3, x becomes 14 plus 3, it becomes 17, because minus 3 will become here plus 3 and it is 14 plus 3 becomes 17. Okay, and this is satisfied only for x is equal to 17. So I already told you this is a sentence or a statement. This is a open sentence. Okay, means this is open. This can be written in x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be different values. So this is open sentence. So there is a no truth value for this. No truth value for this sentence. Okay, so third equation or third example will be close the door. देखिए, close the door. Close the door, it is a request, it will be order, it will be command. That's why close the door, it has a no statement, because you can say it is a sentence only. Okay, and you know for sentence there is a no truth value, so same, no truth value. Another statement, please get me breakfast. Okay, so fourth statement is please get me breakfast. So this is also one type of request, you can say. So there is a no, please get me breakfast. This is also sentence only. This is which type of sentence? This imperative. Okay, imperative sentence. So there is a no truth value. There is a no truth value for this sentence. So I will take another example, fifth example. Okay, I will take another example. That example is fifth. do you like mathematics? Do you like mathematics? This is also one type of question that I ask anyone to me, do you like mathematics? So my question, there will be question mark at the end of the sentence. So what is this? This is not a statement, this is only sentence. And you know, for sentence there is a no truth value. So no truth value. Okay, no truth value. Then another example, the sun gets in the west. Another example, the sun get in the west. The sun get in the west. Okay, so the sun get in west. This is a sentence because it's a full stop. There will be some meaning for this sentence. Okay, this is a statement. Okay, yes, this is a statement. So I will write my answer, that will be, this is the statement. But sun get in this west, but it is not a right. You can say it is a false statement. Okay, because sun get in where? In east. So that's why get, you can say, you write here the sun rise in the west. So what will be the statement? It is a statement, but it is a false statement. So its truth value is F. Okay, then another example is it rains heavily. It rains heavily. Is this statement? No. It rains. What rains? It rains heavily. So there is no meaning, or you can say it is an open sentence. Open sentence. So there is no truth value for this sentence actually. So okay, can you speak in Marathi? So I will directly put examples. Okay, can you speak in Marathi? There will be question mark at the end of the sentence. So that is not a statement. It is a interrogative sentence actually. So there is no truth value for this sentence. Then it rains heavily. Okay, these are the different statements actually. Then you have to write in symbolic form. That's why before that we'll learn about some connectives actually. So what are the connectives and all these things, that I will tell you in detail. There are 5 types of connectives. So what are that types? So initially I will take that types of connective. Connective means क्या होता है वो? There are 2 statements, P and Q, or Q and R, P and R. So that statements or 2 statements are connected by some common words. That will be and, that will be or, that will be but, that will be if and only if, that will be if and then, there will be some negation. So there are type of statements will be 5. Okay, what are the statements actually? So I will show in your chart actually. So first is conjunction, another will be disjunction, conjunction, disjunction, third will be implication. Okay, fourth will be double implication, and fifth will be negation. Today we will learn about conjunction, disjunction and negation. This will be next lecture, and this will learn about with truth table, its true values, truth table and its symbol, how to write that equation, or you can say that statements in symbolic form. So that will be from 1.1 exercise, or you can say we can take common examples for that. So the conjunction, this can be connected by and, but. These are the 2 statements that will be your statement is connected by, or you can say your 2 statements are connected by and, but, that can be conjunction statement. If your statement is connected by or, it will be disjunction. If your statement is connected by, you can say if, then it will be implication. If your statement is connected by if and only if, that can be double implication. If your statement is negative, you can say it is shown by negation. Okay, so there is no any powerful word, but you can say Ram is playing cricket. You can write negation, Ram is not playing cricket. So the word not is be here, or you can say Ram is not playing cricket. Its negation will be Ram is playing cricket. Okay, so this is a removal of negative part. Okay, So now I will tell you about the symbolic form. So conjunction is can be shown by this, okay, this word. Disjunction will be denoted by this, means that is V. Implication will be single arrow, double implication will be reversible arrow, and negation will be like this. Okay, these are the some basics about different types. So now I will start with conjunction, its truth values, what are the statements. I will take one example also for that also. Okay. Okay, I will start with conjunction. Okay, conjunction. So you got idea. I will take one example. Okay, 4 is even number. Even means it is a divided by some 1, 2, or it will be divided by all the numbers that will be like 2, like 1, it will be divided by 4. Okay, it is a multiple of 2. Okay, that's why even number. And this is one connectives, and 36 is a perfect square. So how I can write it? 4 is a even number, this is a statement P. Statement 36 is a perfect square, this is statement Q. And this and is a conjunction, so it is denoted by P and Q. So its symbolic form. First we will see about symbolic form. Okay, so how I will write this? 4 is prime number, so P. 36 is a perfect square, that is Q, and connective is and, so it is a P and Q. If okay, this is a about conjunction. So I will finish one first by one, that is a conjunction actually. So symbolic form will be P and Q. So how to identify the truth values? Okay, truth values. So I will write here truth table. So for truth table, if there are two statements P and Q, so number of statements, so possibilities of truth values will be 4. Why it is 4? Because truth value calculated by 2 raised to n. Okay, so this n is my number of statements. Okay, these are the number of statements. So there are how many statements? P and Q, there are 2 statements, so it becomes 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 or 2 power 2, it means multiplication of 2 by 2 times. So 2 by 2 it becomes 4. So there will be for 2 statements, there will be 4 truth values for P, 4 truth values for Q. There will be possibility. Okay, so that truth table I will write here. Okay, that truth table I will write here. So truth table can be written as a P, Q, and this is a conjunction, so P and Q. This can be written as P and Q. This can be called as a P conjunction Q. Okay, so there are 4 possibilities. So what is that possibilities? I will write here true, true, false, false. Means the statement P will be 2 times true, 2 times false. Q also, but that's arrangement will be like first time it will be true, true, it will be true, false, it will be false, true, it will be false, false. These are the possibilities. So now I have to identify the truth value of that statement in mathematical language. And will be used for multiplication purpose, but will be used for multiplication purpose. Okay, so I already told you T can be written as a 1 in mathematical language. F or false can be written as 0. False means there is no value, so it becomes 0. So I will write here T will be 1, T will be 1, F will be 0, F will be 0. Correct? This T will be 1, this F will be 0, this T will be 1, this F will be 0. Right? I got. So it is a multiplication, nothing but. Okay, so conjunction is a multiplication of 2 statements because it is connected by and or it is connected by but. Okay, so 1 into 1 it becomes, sorry, I will write it by red color, so you will get clarity, or you can say bifurcation. 1 into 1 becomes 1, 1 into 0 becomes 0. Normally it is a multiplication, so 0 into 1 becomes 0, 0 into becomes 0 is equal to 0. So this one can be written as a T. T means it is a true statement. Okay, 0 can be written as a false, so it is a false statement. 0 can be written as a false, so false. 0 can be false. So the truth value for conjunction or conjunction connectives TFFF. Okay, so it means when my truth value of P is T or true, when Q statement truth value is T, then only that statement has a truth value of T, or you can say it is a true statement. So how I can write this 4 is even number and 36 is a perfect square? It's my symbolic form. Okay, so I will write my answer like symbolic form will be P and Q. It's correct. So now I got the truth value of this statement. 4 is even number, 8 is 2, you can write here as it is symbol, and 36 is a perfect square. Yes, it is a square of 6 numbers, so that's why it is also true. So true and true, true and true, what will be the value? True. So how I calculate? True means 1 and means multiplication, true means 1, so it becomes 1. 1 can be called as a true, so this is the value of true. Or you can say the conjunction, or you can say that a true value for this statement 4 is even number and 36 perfect square will be true. Simple one, नो बाय हार्ट. अब इसको ये मत करो, क्या बोल सकते हो, उसको बाय हार्ट मत करो. क्या है उसमें, उससे क्या होता है कि आपका सिर का, दिमाग का काम बढ़ जाता है. सो इट इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली, इसको हम नहीं बोल सकते कि आप इसको ये करो, दिमाग में रख दो. सिर्फ बेसिक कंसेप्ट समझ लो. यू हैव टू एप्लीकेट, यू हैव टू अप्लाई. ओके, दैट्स वाई वी फिल्म में एक्चुअली हमने ऐसा लिखा है कि थिंक एंड अप्लाई, नॉट थिंक एंड लर्न. सो उसमें क्या होता है कि थिंक एंड अप्लाई, देन ओनली यू कैन बिकम साइंटिस्ट, देन ओनली यू कैन बिकम एनी एप्लीकेंट, then only you can become any data scientist, then only you can become one application type of person, right? That's why you have to basically clear about your concepts, not only the formulas you have to by heart and all these things. That is not a real teaching. You can say that will be not a real learning for you also, because this is applicable in electrical circuits that I will show by drawing at the end of the lecture actually. So this is about conjunction. So same I will go for disjunction actually. If there is any example from exercise 1.1, I will take. Yes, there is one example. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so for example, this is from exercise 1.1. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. What is about this? How to identify the sentence, or you can say statement, sorry, statement, not a sentence. This is by connectives. Which is connective here? And. So which type of statement is conjunction? Simply. So how can I write this statement? Nagpur is in Maharashtra, this is a P. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu, this is a Q. There are two statements which are connected by common word, that is called and. That's why this can be written in symbolic form P and Q. Now I can identify the truth values. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Yes, it is in Maharashtra. That's why truth value of P statement is 3. And as it is Q, what is the Q? Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Yes, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and it is in Tamil Nadu itself. So its truth value is T. So you have already idea that T can be written as 1 and it will be multiply. T will be 1. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. If it is a 1, then only it is a true statement. So the truth value of this statement is a true. This simple one, not to by heart that table and all these things to find the T, TFF, TFTF and TFFF. If there is a statement of P, or you can say truth value of P is true, Q is true, then only that statement truth value is true. Or you can say T. This is one simple form. Okay, I think you got an idea about this. Also I will write here 64 is a perfect square and 46 is a prime number. Okay, so another statement that is from you can say exercise 1.1. okay, I will write that statement also and then we go with conjunction. Okay, so you have to get idea about what is the sentence, what is the statement, how to calculate the truth values, how to identify the connectives, and as per connectives what is the truth value. Okay, then I will go for another example. That example is 64 is perfect square. 64 is perfect square. This is one statement and I will write here and connectives, and 46 is a prime number. 46 is a prime number. So I have to think about this statement actually initially. 64 is a perfect square. Yes, it is a perfect square. So I will write this statement as a P. This is connected by Q, and so it is a conjunction. Okay, so conjunction can be written as like the symbol this. 46 is a prime number. This is statement Q. So initially, to write it in symbolic form, I have to not recall what is the true value for this. I will be blank for this. Okay, I will be blank for this. So I will write symbolic form P and Q. Just symbolic form. If you ask to write the symbolic form of this statement, so that will be P and Q. So then I will search about. You can say I will think about the truth values for this statement. Okay. So what is the truth values for P statement? I will 64 is perfect square. Yes, it is a square of perfect square of 8 numbers. So it is a true. And 46 is prime number. Is this prime number 46? No, it is not a prime number, because 46 is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 23, it is divisible by 46. So it is divisible by all these 4 numbers. That's why it is not a prime number. Prime number means it is divisible by only 1 and itself. Means 1, 3, 5, 7, then 11. It is divisible by only 11 and 1. It is divisible by only 7 and 1. It is divisible by 5 and 1. It is divisible by 3 and 1. It is divisible by 1 only. So these are the prime numbers. Okay. So some basic concepts, if you required, then comment me. I will take it separately for basic concepts only. So what is a prime number? What is even number? What is a perfect square? What is a perfect cube? What is a cube root? What is a square root? Like that. All this. So the true value of Q will be false, because it is a statement, but if 46 is not a prime number, that's why it can be written as a false. So you know T can be written as a 1, and will be multiplication, F will be 0, so 1 into 0, 0, 0 can be written as F. So what is the truth value of this statement? That is a false. I think you got idea about this, how to calculate the truth values of any statement. So now we will go to next type, that is a disjunction. If any comment, or you can say if any problem, if any example there is any problem, then please comment. So accordingly I will guide you how to solve that statement or problem, you can say. But I don't think you will have any problem after getting through this. So second type, that is a disjunction. Okay, disjunction. So disjunction, its symbol can be written as V simply. Okay. And if there are two statements, like for example I will take one statements, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Okay, so these are the statements. Triangle is equilateral and isosceles. So this is a P, this is a Q. Or is a connectives or connectivity, that will be called disjunction. So it will be in symbolic form P or Q. Okay, so in mathematical language, or can be written as it is a plus, like in AND connectivity it is a multiplication. So or is a plus. Okay, so then also some examples. Before that I will try to understand or give the idea about how to calculate the truth values for disjunction. So there are two statements, you can say. I will take one example. 4 is odd number. 4 is an odd number, or 1 is a prime. Okay, so how to first I will take this, these are the two statements, right, and is connected by or, so it is a disjunction connectives. Okay, so P and Q, this can be written as a P, this can be written as a Q. Okay, so P and Q, and P or Q, because it's connective, or its symbol can be written as a V, like V. So P I will take, because there are two statements, there will be 4 truth values possibility, TT, FF. It will be TF, TF. It is a combination. Okay, like possibilities. So basically I will write here, this T can be 1, this T can be 1, this F will be 0, this F will be 0. T will be 1, F will be 0, T will be 1, F will be 0. It is the addition. So how it will be? 1 plus 1. In mathematical language, 1 plus 1 it becomes 1. 1 plus 0 it becomes 1. 0 plus 1 it becomes 1. So 0 plus 0 it becomes 0. Okay. So in case of disjunction, only at the final you can say this will be 1 can be written as T, this one can be written as T, this one can be written as T, this will be F. So in all, only if your statement P as a truth value as false or 0 and your Q statement has a truth value as a false or 0, then only your statement value is false, otherwise it will be true only. Okay. So in this case, how to solve this equation, or you can say how to solve this statement? 4 is odd number. Is this odd? No, it is even number. So the truth value of P or Q, right? P will be, it is a false because 4 is not an odd number, it is even number. Or 1 is a prime number. Is that 1 is a prime number? No, 1 is not a prime or not even. Okay, so it is a false statement. So F can be written as 0 or plus, this will be 0. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0 and 0 can be shown as a false. So it will be F. So your truth value of this statement is a false. Okay. Also I will take one example. Okay. A school is open or there is a holiday. Let us assume, I will rub this one. School is open or there is holiday. Okay. So how I can write this statement? This is a P, a school is open, or it is a connectivities of disjunction, and there is a holiday. This is also one type of statement Q. So P or Q. This is a symbolic form simply. Okay, then I can take another statement for whom I can calculate the truth values. That is, I think 2 is even number, or 4 is a perfect square. So how I can write this in symbolic form? 2 is even number, I can write here P as a one statement, 4 is a perfect square, then I can write a statement as a Q. Or is a connectives that can call disjunction. Okay, so this can be written in symbolic form as a P or Q. Okay, so the truth value of P, 2 is even number, yes, it is a 2, or Q is a 4 is a perfect square, it is a square of 2, so it is also 2. So T can be written as a 1, or can be written as a plus, 2 can be written as a 1. So 1 plus 1 in mathematical language becomes 1. So 1 can be identified as a true. Okay, the truth value of this statement is true by disjunction connectives. Okay, so further I will go with another connective, or you can say that is a negation, and then we will stop in our today's lecture. Okay, so what is that? Third statement, or you can say third type, that will be the negation. Implication and double implication I will take in another lecture or next lecture. Okay, so negation is a removal of negativity, or you can say removal means Ram is playing cricket, for example, Ram is playing cricket. So I have to convert, this is a statement P. Okay, so negation can be it is shown by this horizontal yes. Okay, if my statement is P, then I have to convert it into negation, then it will be negative of P. So how will it be find out? Ram is playing cricket, so Ram is, I will add here not is a negation, not playing cricket. Okay, this is my negation of Ram is playing cricket. Okay, so this is a Ram is not playing cricket, here is a negation of not. So if I have to convert this negation into P, then I have to remove this negative word, then it will become Ram is playing cricket. So one equation or one question can become in CET or JEE, that will be P negation of P, it becomes P. It is a removal of that negativities. Means like if your statement is Ram is playing cricket, it negate because Ram is not playing cricket, and when I have to take its negation, so this not will be removed and Ram is playing cricket only, and it becomes completely P. That's why negation of P, it becomes P. This is very very important for your understanding. Okay, so I will take some examples and its truth value, and then okay, so what is the truth value for this? There is one statement P, its negation will be negative of P. So there will be only one statement that can be written as in negative form, that can be calculated in negation form. Okay, so there is only one statement, so there will be 2 raised to 1. Okay, because 2 raised to 1 possibility will be 2 only, and that possibility will be P. This is one statement. Okay, its possibility will be true or false. There are only two statements, two probability only. So if I have to take negation, what will happen? True will become false, false will become true. Simply, this is about negation. So we'll take some practical examples. We can say some examples from exercise actually. So that examples are Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Examples: Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh, AP, not Arunachal Pradesh, it is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, it is in Andhra Pradesh. So how I write? This will be P. So its solution of negation of P will be what? Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. So this not word is very very important to show the negation, and in symbolic form it can be written as P negation of P. What is the truth value of your statement? This is Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, it is a true. Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh. Negation will be false because it is in Andhra Pradesh. That's why true become false. This is negation. And if I have to convert Tirupati is not in Andhra Pradesh into positive, that will be not is removed and Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. That becomes positive statement. Okay. So this is simple one. Then another is will be 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is one statement. If I have to convert it into negation, what will happen? 7 plus 3 is not equal to 10. Is simply. Or sometime what will be 7 plus 3 is greater than 5. This is another example. So what will happen? 7 plus 3 is not equal to, or you can say not greater than 5. This is one negation of that statement actually. Okay, hope so. I think you have got clarity about this. So today I will stop here. If any have any doubt, clarity required, then please comment. Thank you.